Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. So today I am talking to all the loyal Yamaha TW200 owners out there. I used to own a TW200 and I love that thing, but we all know that the TW200 basically, well, ground clearance is almost non-existent. So it is important, depending on the type of riding that you plan to be doing on yours, to have protection for the bottom of your motorcycle. So Tusk has you covered now with their aluminum skid plate. This is made from 3/16 aluminum, so it's nice and thick, super strong. It's got really good coverage front to back as well as side to side. You've got this raised portion here on the left side for added coverage. You have this hole cut out here in the bottom for access to your oil drain bolt, so you can do that even with this installed. All the mounting hardware will come included. So you got your black powder coated mounts that mount this right up to your frame. This is, I would say, a must-have accessory. And also, we have a lot of other great accessories for the TW200. We have a windscreen you can pick up. We have foot pegs. We've got heated grips, heated seat, all the accessories. We got racks. We got everything you need to get your TW200 completely outfitted and ready for your next ride. And to see this skid plate and all those items, just click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And the easiest way to see everything that'll fit any motorcycle, side-by-side ATV, is just enter the year, make, and model on the home page, and you will see everything that will fit your machine. If you have questions, comments, we'd love to get those answers, so make sure leave those down below. As always, if you want to stay up to date on videos like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.